Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of this great new listing at 225 East Thorpe Road. Incredible country property, has been completely remodeled, has refrigerated air, new windows, tile throughout, the kitchen's been updated, bathrooms have been updated. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living areas, sits on a little over a half acre. It does have an incredible metal workshop garage area. So come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 225 East Thorpe Road. Again, an incredible country property, sits on a little over a half acre, has been completely remodeled. You have refrigerated air, new windows, tile throughout. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Bathrooms have been updated, 2 living areas. You have this incredible 1,100 square foot outbuilding as well. The property does have EBID water rights, and there is a well on here that needs to be retapped, but it is available. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.